Okay, we are continuing chapter 13, final project, week 5 for Wednesday, December 30th, 2026. There are two things we need, or 2 points for this one. First one is there are discrepancies between actual physical inventory and reported inventory. So use this worksheet on page 260 to make the necessary adjustments. Use the cost of goods sold account inventory shrinkage when you do this. So we will be creating an inventory quantity adjustment. So we'll click on New. Under the other column, Inventory Quantity Adjustment. And the date for this would be 12/30/2026. It said to use the inventory shrinkage account and the cost of goods sold account, which is the cost of goods sold account inventory shrinkage. That's what we will use. For this one, it gives us 10 items to do a physical inventory for. So first one is dry towels. The inventory on hand, or the physical inventory, is 6, and it said the reported inventory or the count is also 6, so that one is good. Next one is glass polish, and that one, the reported or inventory on hand is 31. The new quantity is 30, so we will do -1, and that makes our new quantity to 30. The next one is interior cleaner. That one, it says the inventory is 29. Oh, there it is. Okay, the inventory is 29 and the quantity on hand or count is 29. So that is good. The next one is leather conditioner. That one, it says the quantity on hand is 4, and the new quantity would be 1, so we'll do -3. And the next one is paste wax. The quantity for that one, it says, is 13 on hand, and the new count is 10. So we'll also do another -3. And now the rubbing compound. And it says in the book the quantity on hand is 12 and the new quantity is 10. So we'll do a -2 to correct that. And then the vinyl rubber dressing. The quantity on hand for that is 11 and the quantity count is also 11. So our quantity on hand and new quantity is correct. And then we have wash mitts. That quantity on hand and quantity count is 9, so it's correct. Then we have wheel rim polish, and that one is also a 9 and a 9, so that's correct. So then we go to window cleaner, and that one in the book, it says the physical inventory or the quantity on hand is 40, and the reported inventory or the counted inventory is 30, so we will do a -10 to correct that. And now all of our quantity on hand is under the hand column in the book, and the new quantity is under the count column in the book. So the quantity on hand is the physical inventory, and then the reported inventory. I'll click Save and Close. And now we are to prepare purchase orders as follows for the GLJ Car Detail Supplies, Patsy's Automotive Supplies, and Rosie and Girls Auto Supply. So we'll click on New, and under the Vendors column, click on Purchase Order. The first one is for GLJ Car Detail Supplies. Purchase order date will be 12/30/2026. It pre-filled in some information from our previous purchase order. So we do not need that for this purchase order, so we'll just delete those. And we will enter in our new purchases. So the first one, it says 5 brushes at $19.99. So the rate will be $19.99. The quantity we will change to 5. The next one, it said 5 buckets. So the product is buckets. The quantity is 5. And it says the rate at that is at $18.49. And then the last one for GLJ is dry towels. We will change the quantity to 10 and the rate for that is $5.25. So then we will click Save and New. And then the next one that we have is for Patsy's Automotive Supplies. It wants us to order 20 units of window cleaner. So vendor Patsy's Automotive Supplies, purchase order date 12/30/2026. It pre-filled in from our last purchase order, so we can delete the glass polish and the interior cleaner because we are ordering window cleaner, and it wants us to order 20 units. So the quantity changed to 20 and the rate it said at $175, so that we can leave. So I'll click Save and New. And then the last one is Rosie and Girls Auto Supply wants us to order 10 units of leather conditioner. So add Rosie and Girls Auto Supply as our vendor. Purchase order date 12/30/2026. And it wants us to order leather conditioner. So since it already pre-filled in all this information from our previous purchase order, we can delete the paste wax, the vinyl rubber dressing compound, the wheel rim polish, and we can leave the leather conditioner in there because it wanted us to order 10 of them, and that is what we previously ordered before, so we're just going to order another 10. And then we'll click Save and Close, and then that will complete day number December 30th, 2026 for week 5.